Guys, I'm Raki. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Today I will be showing you to do a simple color study using just one paint color. I'm using cobalt blue Camlin. Uh, I'm going to draw one sketch here in a small composition. I'm drawing one sketch here. Right. First of all, uh, I'm going to tell I'm taking cobalt blue. Uh, First, I'm explaining you uh, darker color after middle tone and lighter tone. So it will be really fun. You can actually practice your watercolor techniques without worrying about color mixing. So these three things I'm applying here my drawing. So first of all, I'm going to wash. I will use the wet and wet technique. Start by wetting the entire area with clean water. Make sure that it's not too wet. So I'm applying water on my canvas first. So first I'm going to take a darker one and taking less water. I have this brush because it can be used for both board brushstrokes and finest details to create a darker blue sky. Just we use more paint with less water using. Why? Because my paper having water here. So then I'm going to apply darker sky blue, cobalt blue here. See. Details to create a darker blue sky, just use one paint with less water. That using more water create a lighter values and using more paint create a darker values. Um, So cobalt blue is very better to use sky color. So now I'm going to take second color. First of all, I'm going to wash some area first. I'm applying water here, and then I will. Now I am going to second one. This is the darker one and the middle tone and lighter one. So now I am going to take second one. I'm using only single color here, cobalt blue. I like blue color very much. Now I am going to apply light color here. Light color you can apply more water. I'm applying some dark color here. Now I'm going to take some dark color. This is called single color watercolor painting. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoying my video. Thank you. Thank you.